ADX presents values from 0 to 100. Values from the 20 to 25 range are often considered low. With ADX at or below these values, the market is often non-directional. And usually more directional movement can be seen once values reach the mid to upper 20s. The indicator just focuses on the strength of directional movement, not whether it's bearish or bullish. In this case, it's a strong downtrend, and the strongest directional movement is around late July when ADX values reach the mid to upper 20s and beyond. Then once it goes flat and begins to drop back towards the mid to lower 20s, there is more range-bound movement. Nearing the mid-20s is often a period of transition. In this case, it's bearish to neutral, prior to the next phase of more directional movement, which in this case is a bearish continuation. That period of deliberation in the middle is unsurprisingly when values were in the mid to low 20s. But sometimes getting attached to certain values can be too restrictive. A sudden steep increase in ADX at any range of values usually indicates a rapid phase of trend development. And sometimes flat movement of the ADX at any value can indicate more horizontal movement in price as opposed to strong directional movement, either up or down. It just so happens more neutral movement usually happens when these values are flattening down through and towards the mid to low 20s. Though in some cases when ADX remains flat for an extended time at values such as above 25 or even 30, there can still be a period of relatively neutral price movement. Certainly do pay attention to the values of the ADX, but also consider how flat or steep it has been moving, no matter what range of values it's at.